Hello, my friend. My name is Chatex. Today I will tell you how to deposit your wallet, and then how to make a transfer to another person using their wallet address, QR code, or telephone number. First of all, let's look into a wallet deposit. It's very simple. Enter into Wallet section and click Deposit button. Select a cryptocurrency required for deposit and click on it. Bitcoin, for example. You will see your wallet address and QR code for deposit. QR code is a graphically coded address of your wallet, which is sometimes easier to use if you want to avoid mistakes when typing the text. Select an option which is appropriate for you. You can send this address to your friend or make a transfer from any other wallet. From an exchange, for example. As soon as you get 2 confirmations from the Bitcoin network, the cryptocurrency will be charged to your wallet. Now I will tell you how to make a transfer from your wallet to another one. Click Send button and select a cryptocurrency you're going to send. Enter a recipient wallet address or use a QR code. To do this, just take a photo of the code or send me an image and I will recognize it. After you click Confirm button, the transaction is getting processed by the network, and after a while, the coins will be deposited to a recipient's wallet. But I can transfer money even easier, using just a telephone number. Enter into Send section and select a cryptocurrency. You can enter the number or just send a contact from a contact list of your phone. Specify the amount of transfer, confirm the transaction, and if a user with such a telephone number is already registered in my system, the money will be deposited instantly. If there is no such a user, I will send them an SMS, and after the registration, they will see the money in their wallet. See you, my friend. Keep watching my videos and learning.